You make my heart beat. You make my knees weak. You're the best part of me. Oh baby, you make my heart beat. Can you feel it? Can you feel it inside? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? 'Cause I can't deny it.
Our eternal Father, send your blessing upon Tanner and Tehya, whom we bless in your name, that they may live faithfully together. May they keep the vows they have made, and may they remain ever in perfect love and peace together. Tanner and Tehya have pledged their love and faith to each other, sealed their vows in the giving and receiving of rings, and have expressed their complete and pure dedication to one another before God and in our gathering, and it is by the authority vested in me by the state of Wisconsin. I pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
I love if it's just right. It's like your hands, they're made for mine. Everything is too good to be true. I knew it when I first saw you. You are my purpose. You're everything. 'Cause you're everything's too good to be true. I knew it when I first saw you.
Who was the first one to have a crush on the other? Who was always first to say I love you?